Good morning students, hope you are all doing well. So class, in our last lesson we learned that our body needs different types of nutrients to stay healthy and active. These nutrients include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Today we are going to learn more about the first and most important source of energy for our body, that is carbohydrates. So what are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates are something that give us energy to play, study and grow. But what exactly are carbohydrates and what are they made of? Students, carbohydrates are made of sugar molecules. When we eat food with carbohydrates, our body changes it into glucose, and remember that glucose is also a kind of sugar. This sugar goes into our blood and give us instant energy. Now, how carbohydrate give us instant energy? When we take carbohydrates, they react with oxygen in the presence of enzyme called amylase and give us carbon dioxide, which we breathe out, plus water and energy. There are two main types of carbohydrates, starch and sugar. Starch are present in rice, breads and potatoes, and sugar are present in fruits and milk. Bread, rice, potatoes, pulses, milk and fruits are rich in carbohydrates, so students always include these in your meal. Do you know only 1 gram of carbohydrate give us 4 calories of energy? That's a lot of power in one teeny bite. Our next topic is protein. So what are proteins? Proteins are very important for our body. They are used to make important chemicals and materials inside us. Protein help us to grow and to make new cells in our body. That's why we call them bodybuilders. Proteins are made of smaller parts called amino acids. Think of them like tiny blocks that come together to build something big like our muscles, hair, skin and more. For example, when a baby is growing, they need a lot of proteins to build their body. Students, how much proteins do we need? Our body gets about 10 to 35% of its total energy from proteins. That's why we should eat protein-rich food every day. Sources of proteins are chicken, eggs, milk, cheese and nuts. How does our body use protein? When we eat food with proteins, our body breaks it down inside the stomach. An enzyme called protease help to break protein into the amino acid. These amino acids are then used by our body to build muscles, repair cells and make new tissue. What are amino acids? When we eat protein-rich foods like milk, eggs and lentils, our body breaks them into teeny parts called amino acid. These amino acids are like building blocks that our body uses to grow and repair. Do you know, students, that 75% of these amino acids are used to make new proteins inside our body? Some amino acids are also used to make enzymes. These are like special helpers that digest our food and help our stomach work properly. Protein helps our body know its shape and structure, like how our bones, muscles and skins are made. When we grow taller or heal a wound, proteins are working. Whenever a new cell is made inside us during growth, reproduction or healing, our body needs protein. For example, if you get a small cut, your body uses protein to fix it like a bandage from the inside. Now, how does protein help to build? Proteins help to build and repair bones, muscles and skin. It also helps with digestion, making our tummy work smoothly. So that's all for today, students. Please read page number 38 and 39. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Thank you so much.